Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Shining Steelbook. I don't believe that this was exclusive to any store because I saw it in a couple of stores. But yeah, let's get to it. Pricing on these, I bought it at Best Buy and it was I believe like $11.99. So a really good deal, I thought. I don't know if it comes with a digital code or anything like that though. Let's take this J card off. Okay, so this is the front. It's like a matte type finish, really nice. And this is the back. Really cool picture there of a jack. And then we have the spine. And yeah, I don't think it didn't come with the digital code. But yeah, check this out. This is really cool. So yeah, there you have it, you guys.